We ask, how can it be that one doesn't have enough oil for half an hour? The candles will only burn for 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. And yet he can say a bracha and he will fulfill the mitzvah of lighting Chanukah candles. Normally we say that one has to have enough oil for half an hour. The answer is based on the Mishnah Berurah in Siman Taf Reish Ayin Bey, Seif Kotob Hey, in Shulchan Aruch Orach Chaim. A person who wants to light and he only has enough oil for 15 minutes, let's say. He can't light at the proper time, which is Shkia Sachama, because he needs to light for at least half an hour. So what happens? Later on, a few hours later, it's just before the ending time, which is called Ad Shetichle Regel Min Hashuk, until people are no longer walking in the streets. What happens if he lights 15 minutes before that deadline? Then we don't need him to light for half an hour, because once people are not in the streets, we don't need the Chanukah candles to continue to be there burning, to show everybody nobody is out there. So if he lights 15 minutes before the deadline, he only needs to have oil enough for 15 minutes. It comes at a very strange thing. If a person has oil enough only for 15 minutes and he comes to us in Shkia Sachama, we should tell him, don't light now. You have to wait. And don't use the lechatchila time. You have to wait until the 15 minutes before the ending time, before Ad Shetichle Regel Min Hashuk. Then you will be able to light with a bracha and you'll be yoytze the mitzvah. Another answer perhaps to our question is based on Shut Shevet HaLevi, Chelek Ches, Simen Kuf, Nun Vav, says Shut Shevet HaLevi. A person who comes home just 15 minutes before Alois HaShachar, if he has very little oil, only for 15 minutes, he can light with a bracha, because Shulchan Aruch says, Madlik v'hoylech kol halayla, you can light the entire night, until Alois HaShachar. Once Alois HaShachar hits, we have no interest in Chanukah candles being lit. And therefore, if he comes home just 15 minutes before Alois HaShachar, and he only has oil enough for 15 minutes, it is fine. And he can say the brachot and be yoytze, fulfilling the mitzvah of lighting the Chanukah candles.